Check out this Dodge 2020 Grand Caravan say. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: second row bench with rear stow NGO 6040, STD, transmission, 6-speed automatic 62TE, STD, Uconnect hands-free group included, Bluetooth streaming audio Sirius satellite radio remote USB port Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth, quick order package 29S included, engine 3.6L V6 24 VVVT transmission, 6-speed automatic 62TE black door handles, granite pearl coat, black light gray stone cloth low back bucket seats, engine, 3.6L V6 24 VVVT, STD, single DVD entertainment included, high-definition multimedia interface video remote control wireless headphones, IR, second row overhead DVD console charge only remote USB port Sirius